You think a hybrid is just for saving gas? Think again. Lamborghini just changed the rules. They didn't build a hybrid to be sensible. They built it to be unstoppable. Here is why the Raging Bull went hybrid and why it's the best thing that ever happened to the supercar. Lamborghini has officially entered a new era. With the Revuelto, Temerario, and Urus C, the entire lineup is now hybridized. But for a brand built on raw V12 screams and fire-breathing exhausts, fans were worried. Would it lose its soul? Today, we're looking at the 3 technical reasons why Lamborghini's hybrid shift is a masterstroke of engineering. Traditional engines have lag, that split second you wait for the power to kick in. By adding electric motors, Lamborghini created instant torque. The Revuelto uses 3 electric motors to fill the gaps in the power curve. The result? 0 to 100 in just 2.5 seconds. It doesn't just feel fast, it feels violent. Batteries are heavy, but Lamborghini used them to make the cars more agile. With an electric motor on each front wheel, they can control exactly how much power goes to each tire individually. This electric torque vectoring means the car can turn sharper and stay more stable at high speeds than any petrol-only car ever could. Here's the truth. Without hybrids, the V12 would be dead. Emissions laws are getting stricter everywhere. By adding a plug-in hybrid system, Lamborghini slashed CO2 emissions while keeping the engine alive. This green tech is actually a shield, allowing Lamborghini to keep the screaming combustion engine for another decade or more. So, is it still a real Lamborghini? When you have 1,000 horsepower under your right foot and a 10,000 RPM redline, the answer is a definitive yes. Lamborghini isn't following the hybrid trend, they're leading it, proving that the future of speed isn't just electric, it's hybridized. Would you take the hybrid Revuelto or stick with the classic Aventador? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, kindly subscribe to my channel.